Oh, wow. Hi everybody, good morning from Pag Island. We had a cool time here. We're packing up now, going to Hvar Island. I'm gonna put on some pants now and then we will hit the road. Let's go. Let's get out of here. We're on our way to Hvar. Supposed to be a very beautiful island too. Stop by in Zćre. Also need some motor oil. It's a pretty hot day today again and Honda is running smoothly. What a cool view, man. Not so much going on that island, but when you're up the hill and looking down on the water, that is just incredible. Woohoo! What a view again. Let's do a bit of climbing again. Oh yeah. 9%, not too bad. Let's do it. Yee-hoo! And down again. We're in Zćre now. Got some fresh oil. Now we're having some kebab, little short break, and we're back on our way to Hvar. You drive a bit now. 9? Okay, I drive then. No worries. Let's go. Hello, Split. Oh, over there. This is Split. From there, we're going to Hvar. It's about 1.5 hours boat ride. Split is a big ass city. Didn't know that. Huge. And now taking the ferry boat to Hvar. Exciting. People cannot wait. They have to. They cannot wait until it's unloaded. Crazy. Everybody is pushing in like crazy. Cool. Hello, boat. Let's go in that big belly of yours. Wow, wow, wow. Good? Let's leave this boat. Thank you. Okie dokie. That was nice. Off to Hvar. Alright, looks like there's a storm coming. And we will just make it in time to the Airbnb, but oh wow, that view. But it is pretty windy already. Marie is holding on tight. So there's already lightning going on. Woohoo! 8 minutes. But we should make it. Oh man, that wind. Crazy. It's a really cool road though. Wow. Crazy storm. Shit. Wow. Oh. Wow. We're there. In our little castle. Wow. Awesome. Our little castle. Amazing. Just arrived here in Hvar at our Airbnb and just before the rain, and I think it's about to get really messy outside, so go outside. And since it is my birthday tomorrow, Marie organized a really cool Airbnb, all windmill. Let me show you. Whoa! This is where we sleep. That's it for today. We hide from the rain. See you.